to just make few words. We're in your state to oversight some of our projects in the state, and we viewed as a committee that it would be nice to pay a courtesy call to you on no other matter, because we cannot come to your state without telling you we're in your state. It will be out of place and it will be out of history. We know that politics are taking its shape. We commend you for what you are doing for your people of your state, and will continue to ask you to focus on the job. Leadership is a very big burden. It's not a sweet potato. It's not anywhere where you can see rice and beans. And in the street of Rivers, everybody is saying that the governor and the former governor are quarreling. These things happen sometimes. But I would like to plead with you, and plead also with the former governor, that you people should take the interest of your people utmost in your heart. We will also going to, personally, I'm going to plead with Mr. President again to see how he can intervene and bring everlasting peace. I know here looks peaceful, but people going on streets every day, like some of my colleagues when they were coming, a lot of people trying to demonstrate here and there, and the politicians should not take democratic process for granted. We should not derail democracy. We should support democracy, because democracy needs to be supported. If we don't support democracy, democracy will collapse. So we need to support democracy. Your Excellency, even from the street, few people have said, you have asked your own people. We are also watching the Commissioner of Police last night on the television, where he said that you ask your people not to do anything, not to demonstrate, because we want to plead with you to continue to be holding your people, because if your people demonstrate like the other people, we have state of anarchy, and it's not good to have anarchy. I want to plead with you to abide by the rules of the land, plead with you to abide by what the Constitution said, plead with you to also abide by the judiciary. Wait for every judicial interpretation and act on judicial interpretation. We want to appreciate you for the time you have given us at short notice, me and my colleagues. I'm sure we are not partisan. Few of us here have very good access to President Bola Tinubu, and we're also going to plead with him seriously to see how we can shorten everything happening here. Politicians and our people are looking for economic growth. So we should focus on economic growth, because people are suffering, people are not feeling that price of things are, people are feeling that price of things are going up. So we cannot be every there and there. People are demonstrating in the street of Nigeria or in Port Harcourt or elsewhere. I will also find time to go and speak to former Governor Wike, like I will speak to President Tinubu. So please, Your Excellency, you also give me 2 minutes after this to also speak to you, so that peace should be ultimate in your mind. I want to thank you, because you look a very peaceful man. Your face show a peaceful man. You are laughing, show a peaceful man. I want you to continue in that manner of peace. There's nothing like peace. There's nothing like peace. Let people who are eating with this problem stop eating with it. Let them face you, and you face leadership. Because when every other thing fails, trouble will come in. So let us not have problem. This is a very beautiful state. I'm impressed that I can come from Aba now. I came from Aba. I came from my village in Iwere to Aba. And the usual go slow you used to see tidying up everywhere from Obe into Port Harcourt. It's no longer there. So I want to admire Your Excellency, and also admire your Deputy Governor and the commissioners and the advisors for a good job you are doing, but it is good to have peace. All of us here, we are all friends, we are all brothers, we are all safekeepers, and we'll be tomorrow keepers. So it will be good. People who are asking you to fight and asking the other former governor to fight are not doing good to both of you. I think peace shall reign. Thank you very much for having us, Your Excellency.